Hi, it's Scott from Tentworld, Brendale, and today we'll be looking at the DoohicKey key tool. It's made of durable stainless steel. The Nite Ize DoohicKey features a half dozen tools that do everything from tighten bolts and screws to open a bottle of refreshment. All in one in a simple tool that fits in the palm of your hands. It features the following tools: a box cutter, bottle opener, wrench, 1/4, 5/16 and 3/8, a ruler, inches and centimeters, and a flathead screwdriver. It's Tsa Friendly and fits nicely on your existing keyring. It weighs only 14 grams and is available from Tentworld Brendale and tentworld.com.au.